welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you for the very first time. Today I'm going to be working on some DIY projects for my front porch. So I'm starting off with some carpet tiles that I bought from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to turn those into a small area rug for my front porch. So after I've arranged them how I want them, I am going to secure them with construction adhesive and Gorilla Tape. Allow it to dry for 24 hours, and there we go. A beautiful little area rug for my front porch. Today I'm participating in the 5 Under 5 challenge, hosted by Crafty Cove, Farm Charm Chic, and their guest host, Happiness Created. Links to all their channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. For my second project, I'm creating a throw for my outdoor rocking chair. So what I'm using are these little rag rugs that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm simply gonna use hot glue to attach 4 of them together, and voila, there we have a throw. In case you haven't guessed it yet, your girl loves a quick and easy DIY. So for project number 3, I am using some of these Dollar Tree kitchen towels and some hot glue. Attaching them front to front, I am going to secure all 3 sides and insert my pillow insert. I'm using a regular pillow that I got from the thrift store, and I covered it in a plastic bag. Same ones I used last year. I just reinsert that pillow once I flip it inside out and push all of the 4 corners out. And then I secure that 3rd side with hot glue as well. And voila, a cute little pillow for my front porch. For my next project, you want to talk easy? This is easy. I bought one of these little iron flagpole holders from the Dollar Tree, and I also bought a Dollar Tree flag. Once I cut out the little holder that's inside the flag, I slide the flag onto the pole holder, and there we have it. DIY complete. Now, if you haven't done so, I invite you to become part of the Amethyst Adventures family. Honey, it is free, quick, and easy. Just go ahead and click on that subscribe button and bang it. Hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Now on to our last project. I picked up this placemat from the Dollar Tree, and I also picked up a cooling rack and some nautical rope. So I simply measure out how much of the placemat I want and cut off the excess. I'm using the wire rack behind it because the placemat is a little bit too flimsy to stand on its own as a door hanger. So after I trim down that wire rack, and it's so easy to trim down, all you have to do is bend it where you want to cut it, and once you bend it back and forth a couple of times, it snaps right off. Attach that to the back of my placemat and trim it out in the nautical rope. To add that sweet little touch, I created a bow in the corner using the same nautical rope that I used as trim. And there we have it, folks, DIY number 5. So I hope you enjoyed all of these quick and easy DIY projects that I've done for you today, and I hope it gives you inspiration. Using the nautical rope, I created a little hanger at the top to hang it from. And then I attach my bow. And just like that, this last DIY is completed. Please make sure you visit our host channels and show them some love. And visit the playlist because these creators are so talented and so creative. You are sure to get some inspiration. I hope you enjoyed what I put together for you today and that you are inspired to try some of these projects in your home. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment because I'd love to hear from you. Now make sure you watch all the way till the end for the final reveal.